Hello everyone, my name is Shaun Offenbacher. I'm going to be showcasing my app called Paxxium. It's a GPT clone, ChatGPT clone. I do want it to become more. I want to add some tools and some fun functionality. Uh, just kind of go over the packages and some of the stuff I'm using. There's quite a few of them, major ones. Obviously, I mean, Flask in the back end, React in the front end, uh, Firebase authentication for logging in, handling users. I'm also using Firestore just for simplicity. I've already used it in a past project, so I kind of knew it. So I just wanted to keep things simple. Um, Other than that, LangChain and OpenAI, those two, well, one's a package and the other's the API, are going to be the brains behind the actual agents here. So I'll show you right now, kind of show you some context and memory, also the fact that my agents can search the internet and find answers. The AI thinks today's date's the 21st, very confident in that. So I'm going to say, and then by doing it this way, I'm not saying what to answer. So it has to kind of pick up the memory and the context. And so it did that, and it shows that, which is fun. I also have some fun code formatting that I've been implementing. It's not completely finished, almost there. It doesn't quite do it on the fly. I was working on it this morning, but I had to stop to do this video. But when I reload, it does show the code formatted, which is, I mean, I love that. The agent debate, I'm excited to go deeper into this and evolve it. Right now, it's pretty basic, but it does work. You can give it the role or like their opinion. This can be as in depth as you want. You're setting the kind of the persona of the agent. I'm just being basic right now, just to show that things work. Except for my UI, I'm teaching myself React. I'm just finishing my backend course, so this has been one of the bigger challenges. Um, is getting my UI to work. The backend stuff was pretty easy for me, but yeah, the UI has been quite the challenge. But as you can see, it does work. It's going back and forth. They're talking to each other. They're being very respectful. Uh, so we'll move on from that, and then I'll just show you some code real quick. This is probably one of the funnest things was implementing this. This is the agent that I'm actually using in almost everything. Setting up this class I love it, and it's probably going to evolve. I'm just going to keep probably using this as my base class, and then um, just changing certain things. But yeah, just briefly go. You can just look at that as you like, but it sets certain things. The biggest thing here, actually, I'll just go over that real quick, is the system prompt where it allows the user right now for the debate, right? So it allows the user to choose kind of to give the AI a persona, um, and that just creates some kind of functionality and some different things. I also created a custom tool that allows me to prove functionality, where you can create your own function. It saves my last message and prints it to the screen or to the terminal, but it just shows that it works. So if that function can get triggered, any function can get triggered, and you can create some really cool stuff. This showcases the encryption. I want to make sure everyone knows I'm being safe with their keys, but it is being sent to Google KMS. And yeah, this other part is probably one of the more fun parts to think through because it's all new, but using the kind of React and JavaScript to process the tokens, right? So that was interesting. So if you come here, actually start right here is where it starts. It checks for backticks. The OpenAI API, whenever there's code, will always have three backticks. So you can extract your code, and then through different conditions, I'm running the code, breaking it down, putting it back together, and trying to format it on the fly. But yeah, see one other thing. This shows the debate manager. It's a class that handles the debate. You can see you're initializing two different agents that takes in the roles from the user's input. And then from there, they kind of manage the debate. I do want to make this a little bit more involved. I think it can be really cool. But for now, I just wanted to get it working. wanted to get kind of a base app developed. Other than that, I think that's a lot of it. I mean, like I said, I think the biggest challenge for me was and is still the front end. I'm teaching myself how to use ChatGPT a lot, but it's working. It's coming together. Other than that, if you want to work on it with me, check it out on GitHub. We can get at it. Y'all have a good day.